To increase your brain power, you need to understand something about the brain. An adult brain is almost 1.5 to 2 kgs in size, but this brain actually consumes 20% of the total energy produced by the body by the intake of food. The reason for this is rather simple. It is because the brain takes care of the entire central nervous system. Any touch, prick, any sensation, or any activity in any part of the body gets reported to the brain, and from the brain, the signals are passed back to the body for reaction. Let's look at a brain cell. The brain cell is called a neuron. It looks rather big here, but it is no thicker than the hair strand. It's very, very tiny, and the edges of the cell are called dendrites. Dendrites combine with each other and form a synapse. This is the place or the point where information gets stored. Any connection of any form leads to storage of information. To learn effectively, we've heard that we should always go from simple to complex things, from easy to difficult problems, and from known to unknown fact. This thing can be very easily explained through the neurons. We can see that simple connections are always there between brain cells. But to understand something complex, we have to work around the simple connection. Likewise, it's easy to move from something which you know and then build more and more connections. Known concepts and then larger connections around it, and what it creates is the neural structure of the brain. This is how the neural network looks like. It is bigger than any wired thing in the whole world. The information in our brain is not kept in a linear order. It could be haphazard, but what's important is the connection of one neuron with the other and information being linked through some kind of a network. Well, we need to understand that the state of our mind is also very, very important and it affects our actions. We obviously perform better in a better state of mind. You would all agree and appreciate that you can't eat while you are on a treadmill running or while you are sleeping. For that, you need a good state. Likewise, for studying, you should be in a good wakeful state. You should also be very mindful and be present in the moment. Being present in the moment gives you focused brain. In the focused brain, a brain which is happy, calm, relaxed, the neurons are in a better position and it is easy to make connections. These connections are also retained for a long period of time. Anxiety, tension, depression, unnecessary activity leads to diffused brain cells, creating so much confusion in the brain. So, my suggestion is don't worry, stay happy and keep learning. God bless.